Hey guys, sorry for not being able to stream. Probably won't be able to stream for like a very long time. I'm going to do a computer course and yeah. So yeah, we're opening some 96 and 98 Evo players. First player, come on, let's make over 1 mil back. Okay, that was decent. Ryan Shazier. Okay, what about the second pack? Please be good. Okay, 90 Julius Peppers. I think he might be on our team. We might save him to be on our team. Come on, please be Denzel Ward. Randy, we don't really need him. Come on, be a great one. Okay, we got another Patrick. So overall, got the 98 Julius, got this Randy Moss, got this Ryan, got this Patrick. That's pretty good overall. Let's just put... Yeah, I'm selling my team, guys. So yeah, sorry it looks like this. Let's go. Yeah, I think Julius will be on our team. Julius, Derwin, Patrick, maybe? We don't need this guy. Patrick's better. And yeah, that was a pretty good pull, guys, not gonna lie. The shades we might replace, but otherwise, yeah, I think that might be it. We'll sell this Rod, we'll sell this Jonathan, we'll sell this Jair, but the shopping spree won't be until after this Jair becomes auctionable, which isn't like... This Julius 92 speed. Okay, that's what ended off.